Hello people, welcome back. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing okay. This is another peanut or groundnut soup with a twist. Come, let's cook. I added in the peanuts, calabash nutmeg, these spices that we use to cook banga soup. Guys, try your groundnut soup like this and you will appreciate me more. So toast it together, add it to your blender and blend properly until properly smooth. My return is I'm seeing the comment, I'm seeing the like, I'm seeing the share. Keep on commenting, keep on sharing, keep on tuning in. As usual, may the good Lord bless you. So now I will scrap it and I will blend it until it is fully blended. So here is it. It's blended. And I have different meats in here. I added onion, salt, some seasoning, powdered onion, nutmeg powder, crayfish, pepper, stockfish, and I will mix properly for 1 second. So what I will do now, I'll cover it and steam it for 5 to 10 minutes. So here it is. I will now add in water from the kettle. So I'll cover and cook it for 20 minutes. I added salt to my bitter leaf to get rid of the sand. So here it is. My meat has been cooking for 20 minutes. I added in the blended groundnut. I added in my washed bitter leaf. I added in water. All my subscribers, thank you. If you are new to the channel, feel free to subscribe to the channel. We have many health recipe videos. We have many videos, cooking videos, lifestyle. Feel free to check my channel out for more videos that you might find helpful. Follow us for more amazing videos. If that is what you like, this channel is for you. I added some palm oil. I covered it and I'll cook it for another 10 minutes. So here it is. I came and I gave it a good stir. So now I'll add in my salmon fish. I will stir again for a while, and after that I will add in some crayfish, some pepper. I'll stir again for another 1 sec. I taste was salt, it needed salt, so I added some salt. I'll cover it and cook it for 5 minutes. Look at it, ready for pounded yam. Enjoy. You can even eat it with rice.